Hey everyone, Nick Bates here, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over version 14 template enhancements. The first enhancement is really an aesthetic thing. When we go and we take a piece of equipment that's existing and we go to this chain right here, it's going to bring up our template links. Here is also where we can retroactively link a template to this piece of equipment. If I hit these three dots here, I can then look at all of my existing templates. In this database, I only have this one. And we're going to go ahead and assign this to this template here. Go ahead and say yes, that we want to establish those template links and hit OK. And then let's just check to make sure that we have any template links, which we do not. So I'm going to check type and subtype. And let's go ahead and do description. So you'll notice over here that before I hit OK, there's really nothing letting me know that something over here would be linked to a template. In version 12, we used to do various colors, and then in version 13, we actually put a kind of a gray color behind the field. Well, now when we hit OK, we've actually added these links, these chains. So it's very apparent what field is linked to the template now. The next feature that I'd like to go over is associating lots of equipment to a template. The best way to do that in previous versions to 14 would be to go into our events and go to our global equipment change. Lots of you have probably run a global equipment change event, and that's where we associate the template name to whatever collection of equipment that we want to at one time. With the global equipment change event being so powerful, it's a really good idea to not give just anyone access to the global equipment change event. And that is why this new feature is so important. If you go to pending work and you select whichever equipment you want under template assignments, you could say, all right, these three assets here, I want to link to one specific template. I right click, say associate selected assets with an equipment template. And then that brings up my choose equipment template selection here. Select that template and hit OK. And now it's going to bring up those template links. Now, of course, if you already set these at the template level in Template Editor, they will automatically come over, but then you could make those selections here. And then there you have it. Those three pieces of equipment were automatically linked to those templates. Thank you for watching version 14 template enhancements. Have a great day.